One on YouTube.
It's for you. Slide it in.
Tiffany put dishwasher.
No, we don't want to get that's for sure.
One moment. Bubbles!
Grandma a lot to fix these cabinets.
God, Tiffany. Look at all the bubbles Grandma's putting in there. Bubbles! Tiffany loves playing with bubbles.
There's bubbles all under the...
Let me guess, the kitchen started being flooded.
No,
With
I just
bubbles.
happened to look down and see bubbles.
Bubbles!
Pretty
Get
bubbles.
that under there, honey, so it don't get to the wood on the cabinets while I do this.
This is funny. This is very funny.
We could show Ryan
That's what I'm going to do.
insurance. And everybody else. I don't care if I
Mom, I'll
do
send you this video. You can put it on Facebook. Oh, gosh.
I think it's funny. I'm getting embarrassed.
It's hilarious. Grandma gets to play with bubbles, too.
Trying to help you.
Bad.
Stop hitting my butt, you weirdo.
I think she should go back to first grade, Mom.
No, first
Look at your embarrassment face.
I'm not embarrassed. I don't care. I think it's funny.
Shame. This is not real.
On Facebook now. I said, Tiff started dishwasher with dish soap. People are gonna sit there and clean it up as it rolls out. Who's Baby Ruth? Oh, look at this.
There's more.
Are these yours, Baby Ruth?
I brought those for the kids.
Why are you bringing this shit? What do they do?
It's Babe Ruth, Mom.
We do this.
You too? Well, okay.
We deserve candy. We do this.
On the way home.
Oh my God, don't remember candy. Look what you did.
No,
Mom,
we make memories.
we give you these moments.
We make memories. That's why we get candy, because we make memories like this.
This sounds so set up.
Smile, oh crap. Tiffany, smile. Smile for the camera. Shut up, I shot bubbles.
I'm gonna get as much as silk water here. See all the water
You're
going
Shane's mother.
See how
Oh,
it's
yeah.
all, you know, coming out the door because of
Bye-bye.
the soap you put in it.